All right, so we got a little bit of a dilemma when this truck got into a wreck. Broke the plug that the light goes into. Now you can't just cut that off and solder into it. I went to the junkyard and got another one. You can't just cut it off and just either use butt connectors or weatherproof the heat shrink ones. But I'm gonna depin this, and I'm gonna show you how to depin it, because it's fairly easy to do, and that way you don't have to cut into your truck's wiring. So the first thing we want to do is take this black thing off. So what you want to do is you want to pry right here. You see these holes here, 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 and here? There's some little clips. If you got a screwdriver small enough to fit in there, you can do that, but I'll just pry on that side and push back just a hair and it'll stay up. And then if you come in here and gently do the same thing on this side, the other side fell back on. But if you kind of push back while you do it, then you can slide that black cap off. Now set that to the side. Don't lose it. Well, if you lose it, you got one on the truck. But anyway, you'll see a little rubber thing in here. I think this is so cool how they put Ford on here. I don't know if y'all can see that. And there's even a part number on this thing. Like, as small as that is. But anyway, I bet you that part's discontinued. Well, I don't know if they're still using these same plugs. It might not be. But this is basically to keep water out of the back of that connection. And you just want to pull it out. See, I got it standing out like that. Once you got one side of it, you can just pull it out. It's a little rubber thing. You see it's dirty on one side and clean on the other. So that'll prove to you that it does keep stuff out of this plug in there. Okay, so we want to depin. We want to take these two wires out. That's what we want to do. So it's going to be hard for me to show you this because GoPros don't zoom. I'll probably be able to show you better once I take the pin out. But inside here, there's a little clip, just like these, that was holding on the black thing. There's one down inside here, and it's right down the side of this. So if you push a small screwdriver up in there, and hopefully this will work the first time. If you push it in there far enough, it'll push the pin back. Didn't work that time. And I'm also trying to kind of be gentle because I don't want to break this. But you also can push it from inside here. Okay. So let me look and see what I'm doing here. But I can show it to you better once I get it out. Yeah, forgive me, this the kind of hard part. They actually make tools for this, to be able to do this properly. Okay. So you got to get your screwdriver in there pretty far, and it's got to be a small one. Grab the wire and the screwdriver. And you want to push the screwdriver over just a little bit because you're trying to push that clip back so that the pin will slide out. And great, every time I do it, it doesn't do it. But like I said, you can come in from the front and do it. If you look down in there, you can see that pin, the little tab that's holding it. And a lot of times you'll hear it when it goes back. There we go. So let's see if I can show y'all. Up in here, you're pushing back on that tab right there. And that tab engages in that square slot right there. So be smart, y'all. Don't take both of them out at the same time. What you want to do is go over to your truck, which this may not make a difference because you're just sending you're probably sending a ground signal through this. I'm not sure if this is ground switch or power switch, but it's probably ground. But just take one side out. So you might can't tell, but this is a black and a brown wire. They're very close to the same color. I'm going to take out the black one on this side as well. I'm gonna do the same thing. Push the little tab in. See, I had it out just then. You'll hear it click when you push it in. And you'll be able to slide that pin right out. Like I said, when you got it back, see, it keeps going back up in there, locking back in place. I don't know, can y'all see me? Kind of. At this point, I'm sure everybody's like, yeah, I'll just cut my I ain't gonna lie, it don't help that this one is broken. And you know what? I'm so stupid. How about I follow my own directions? Take this one apart the same way you took the other one apart. You gotta take the black thing off the back anyway. The wire's not gonna come out with all this stuff in the way. Take your rubber out. Now you probably can get in here better and do this. Yeah, cause see, now I got more wiggle room on the thingy. So we're taking the black one out. Yeah. It keeps clipping right back in. And this plug I'm not so worried about because it's already broken. Oh, come on. It doesn't help that the light's not in my favor. I'm thinking this plug is more damaged on the inside than I thought. There we go. So we got the black one out. Then you want to take the one that you just had, slide the black one in its place. Make sure I'm still on. Okay. Slide the black one in its place. And you'll hear it click in. Now we got to get this other one out. There, that one came out a lot easier. So like I said, it might be better to come in from the front, and as you're prying over on that this little tab in here, pull the wire at the same time. So let's see if I can get this one to go that easy. So, and you push almost all the way to the bottom. Like I said, when you have your plug, you'll be able to see it. So you want to push that over. There we go. Slides right out. So like I said, I don't know if y'all can see up in there good enough. Let's try to get y'all some light to where you can really see what I'm talking about. Like I said, GoPros don't zoom, so. But you want to press on that little tab right there. This tab right here. Y'all see it go back? Let's see. Yeah, that tab right there. See it go back? That's what engages. Here it is on this side. It's a little less 8 up. This side was 8 up. That's the one that was giving me hell, and that's why. Because like I said, this truck's been in a wreck. So, and the bulb was like smashed off and ground up in there. But this little tab right there, that's what you want to try to push in. So this plug is garbage. I might keep the rubber in the back part. I'll probably keep these 2 pieces. And it's pretty cool. See how that little piece goes into there, so you can't like screw it up or how to put it on. And I'll probably keep the 2 just in case I might need them for something. You never know. Ford uses a lot of the same electrical connectors. So the one we took out, I wonder if y'all can see it. You just want to slide it back in its little spot, clipped in. I'll put some better tape on there. Actually, it's got, anyway, let me pull that back though. Put this back on the way it was. And this, I doubt if it matters if this is up or down. I really doubt that matters, but I'm just gonna put it back the way it was. And you just wanna just push the little rubber back down in until it's flush. See how it's flush with the top of the connector to keep water and stuff out. Get your black cap. Like I said, this little long piece of the black cap, fit this around your wires. It goes in that little hole right there. Push it all the way down, clamp it down. Boom, you're ready to go. You didn't have to cut into your factory wiring. So, just wanted to show you how to depin this. I think this is the turn signal. I'm pretty sure that's the turn signal. I think this is a park lamp, but whatever. It will be the same for this one as well. It probably will be similar for this, but not exactly the same. All right, till next time, see you guys later.